Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get C++ libraries on your Linux machine. So the first thing I'm going to do right here is open a terminal, and then I'm going to zoom in so that you guys can see this better. Zoom in, and then I'm going to type in neofetch so you guys can see I'm running Arco Linux on the cinnamon desktop environment, so that you guys are clear on that this is a Linux machine and clear. So basically, to get any C++ library on a Linux machine, there's only one thing you have to really do, and that's just install it from your pacman manager. So the library I'm going to be using now is called SFML. It's a graphics library. It's this one right here, SFML. So to get this library, all I have to do is just type in sudo pacman, which is my package manager, S for install or sync, and then just type in sfml, and look, it auto-completes when you click tab, and you just have to install it. If you were running Ubuntu or something, you would do sudo apt-get install sfml, something like that. I don't have that package manager, so I don't know the exact command, but for Ubuntu I'm pretty sure it's gonna be this command right here. You could check on the SFML tutorial on Linux. It says sudo apt-get install libsfml-dev. So yeah, you could just check that. That will be in the description. You could just click that, and so let's just do sudo pacman, because we're on Arch. I'm on Arch, so S, and then I'll do sfml. And once this is installed, it should automatically, okay, so now it's installed, it should automatically just be in your computer. So you don't need to do anything else. You just need to make the project, the main.cpp, and you'll be able to use it. So let's just make an example project right now. So let's go to projects, go to playground, let's create a folder, type it sfml-demo, create, go into sfml-demo, and in here what we're going to do is create a document, empty file, and name this main.cpp. Create. Now we got main.cpp. I'm going to open this up in my GNU Emacs and X this out. And okay. So now I'm going to full screen this and zoom in here for a bit, and I'm just going to put in an example script here, so you could just use this script as well. File save, and that works. There you go. That's just it. So we're gonna compile it. So we got our terminal integrated terminal in our Emacs open here. So we're gonna turn it into object code first by putting this line of code. This will give us an object file. We got our object code right here for the main.io, and now we're gonna compile main.io with all the certain things that we need. So all these special flags that are also in the link in the description, or I'll just put them in the description, I don't know. I'll probably put all the commands I use in the description, and then I'll also link the tutorial I'm using, which is from SFML. But yeah, and then now we will get another SMFL app, and this is the main thing. This is the thing that will run library. So if we just execute it, now if we just run this, you will get a pop-up window. Look at that. It lets us resize it because that's all in the code. This is SFML works like it says over here. So yeah, this is the graphics library SFML, and it's working just fine in Linux. So that's great. And you can also get any. It's not only SFML. I want to nail this point home. You could sudo pacman s open gl or glfw I don't know if this is in this. Oh wait, hold up. Let me abort that. Okay. Yeah, so we have glfw for X11. glfw, that's another thing. There's certain things that you would want to get from the yay package manager or the AUR package managers, because there's some stuff that's not in the normal Arch package manager, so you would just want to do yay or whatever AUR helper you're using. I'm using yay s, and then you could install imgui. As you can see, it has imgui slash -sfml, and a bunch of other libraries for Linux. So you could just install them, and then you could just use them like that. I don't know if every library is going to be available in the package manager. This is the easiest way to do it. If it's not available, you might have to read some stuff on the website of the library you're trying to acquire and see how you can acquire it on Linux. But this is the easiest and simple, the first method you should try in any case when you're trying to use a library. And also, you don't have to keep typing the stuff we had to type. If you're new to C++, I suggest you look up make files and CMake in order to automate this process, so you don't have to type in so much stuff like I typed in before, compiling and running your program. Anyway, that's it. Check my main channel out. I've got stuff planned for that as well. So yeah, I hope this helped. If it didn't, sorry. Leave a like if it did help, and let me know if there's anything else you need help with. Linux related, Windows related. Yeah. Thank you and have a good day.